How to find best deals on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, navigate to the deals or promotions section on the homepage. Here you will find all current discount, seasonal offers, flash sales and limited time promotions. Make sure to check the dates and conditions of each deal to take full advantage of them. Use the search bar to look for specific products you are interested in and filter results by discount or price range. This will help you quickly identify items with the best value. Don't forget to explore categories such as electronics, fashion, and groceries, as deals can vary by section. Look for additional opportunities to save, such as reward points, promo codes, or special campaigns for first-time buyers or loyal users. During checkout, carefully apply vouchers, discount, or rewards to ensure you are getting the maximum savings on your order. By following these steps, you can find the best deals on Uzum Market, shop smartly, and enjoy a more rewarding and cost-effective shopping experience. Now you know how to find the best deals on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.